Hi, right now I am in Nagarkot. I am starting from here to Dhulikhel. This is not a usual way through forest to Dhulikhel from Nagarkot, and I am going through that way. And if you go through this way, you can see the Hotel Mystic Mountain and Bangeri Darbar Resort. So Bangeri Darbar Resort is, I think it's in the construction stage. So through this way I am going for the first time, and this is a forest road. I think it is around 10 kilometers from here to Dhulikhel. Today I found so many tourists are coming here. Last week there were not much tourists, but this week especially from yesterday, so many tourists are coming here, and COVID is also rising there, so I should take precautions against COVID. Anyway, we will start from here. Right now the time is around 11:55. I think it will take half an hour or 1 hour to reach Dhulikhel. From Dhulikhel I will go to Bhaktapur and come to Nagarkot. So I will take the second way to Nagarkot from Dhulikhel. This is the first way, so we can see both ways. The climate is good to go now, but there is no rainfall now, but the road is very bad. It is fully muddy, and on bike it is very difficult because before me so many cars and jeeps have been passed, and so because of that I don't get any way to pass through this, and it's very difficult to go there even if it is a sunny day. And from here it is around, somebody said on the way that it is around 1 hour to Dhulikhel. Anyway, let us go. Wow, it was an adventurous journey for me. Since I am coming from India, I have never been to such a muddy road before. Anyway, it was very good, and I want to come again through the same way. Again I will come, and beyond me you can see in the valley, that is actually Dhulikhel. Dhulikhel is around 595 kilometers square kilometer area, and it is around 33,000 population, and around 7,500 houses there. And Dhulikhel, how the name that the Dhulikhel attained from 3 terms, that is Dhul means tiger, Dhul means curd, Dhul means dust. So before it has been said that there were a lot of tigers here playing around here, so it is called Dhulikhel. And the name comes from curd also, because the community lives there, makes lot of curd at a particular time, I think maybe in the olden times. So at that time lot of curd have been there, so because of that it is called Dhulikhel. And also there were a lot of dust in olden times, and due to all these things it is called Dhulikhel, because before it was called Siligar Aisa Kuch, Siligar. I heard like that, and I never seen any before, but the name was different, not the Dhulikhel. And Dhulikhel community, most of them are Newar community. It is just like Bhaktapur. Bhaktapur also comes to the same Newar group, and along with the Newar group there are Brahmins, Kshatris and Dalits are also living there. And Dhulikhel is actually the outlet of Nepal to Tibet. And there are 2 highways going through Dhulikhel. That is, one is BH highway and another is um, Arison highway, I forgot the name. Anyway, through that highway we can go to the border of Tibet. And in olden times, Tibetans come to Nepal to fetch their daily necessities and also some chilies. And Nepalese go to Tibet to get gold and salt. So I heard that there are two attractions in Duligir. One is Shanti, then where there are 1,000 steps to reach that area. There is a golden statue of Buddha is there. And also another attraction is the old town of Duligir. Anyway, if the time permits, we'll go and see there. This is maize cultivation here. They are making liquor out of maize, which I also had tasted a little bit. I don't like the taste, so I didn't drink much. This is the valley where we can see the Duligir town, fully surrounded by mountains, and you can see Himalayas when there are no clouds. Maybe by August we can see Himalayas around. Finally, I came to the valley where you can see full of paddy fields. And the road is also good. Reach the highway. From here we have to go left to Duligir. watch the golden statue of Buddha. There are 10,000 steps to climb up to the statue of Buddha, but to avoid that I use my bike to reach there, and then I straight away go to the Shanti Valley. So with this I am signing off. Those who like, please subscribe, share and like my channel. Thank you very much.